When most homeowners in Gilbert think about upgrading their homes, they imagine big projects like kitchen remodels or backyard renovations. Yet one of the most impactful improvements often goes unnoticed: replacing old windows. While new windows obviously enhance a home's appearance, the real value lies in the hidden benefits that many homeowners only discover after installation. Energy savings that add up. One of the most significant hidden perks of installing replacement windows in Gilbert is improved energy efficiency. The desert climate means long, hot summers where air conditioners work overtime. Older windows often leak cool air, making your system work harder and driving up energy bills. Replacement windows are designed with advanced insulation and modern materials that reduce heat transfer. Features like double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and tightly sealed frames can help keep indoor temperatures stable. Over time, this energy efficiency can result in noticeable savings on monthly utility bills. For many homeowners, the reduction in energy costs helps offset the initial investment. A more comfortable home. Beyond saving money, new windows make your living space more comfortable. No one enjoys sitting near a drafty window in the winter or feeling the summer sun beat through outdated glass. Replacement windows eliminate drafts and help regulate indoor temperatures, creating a consistent environment throughout your home. In Gilbert, where temperatures fluctuate drastically between day and night, having windows that maintain comfort without constant adjustments to the thermostat is a hidden luxury that makes daily living easier. Noise reduction for peace of mind. Another overlooked benefit of replacement windows is noise control. Whether it's traffic from busy roads, neighborhood activity, or landscaping equipment, noise can easily infiltrate homes with aging or poorly sealed windows. Modern replacement windows use thicker glass, multiple panes, and insulated frames to significantly reduce outside noise. For homeowners in bustling parts of Gilbert, this translates to a quieter, more peaceful living space. It's an upgrade you might not think about until you experience it, but once you do, the difference is undeniable. Boosted home value and curb appeal. While the functional benefits are crucial, replacement windows also enhance the aesthetic appeal of your property. Fresh, modern windows can transform the look of your home from outdated to stylish, boosting curb appeal and property value. Potential buyers see new windows as a sign that the home has been well maintained and energy efficient, often making it easier to sell quickly and at a higher price. In competitive Gilbert neighborhoods, this advantage can be the deciding factor when it's time to put your home on the market. Enhanced safety and security. Old windows can pose safety risks due to faulty locks, deteriorating frames, or glass that breaks easily. Replacement windows are designed with stronger materials and advanced locking mechanisms to improve home security. Many also feature tempered or laminated glass, which is less likely to shatter dangerously. For families in Gilbert, these security improvements provide an extra layer of peace of mind, protecting both loved ones and valuables. Easier maintenance. Another hidden perk is the convenience of low-maintenance designs. Many modern replacement windows use durable materials like vinyl or fiberglass that resist warping, cracking, or fading under Arizona's intense sun. Some also feature tilt-in sashes, making it simple to clean the exterior glass from inside your home. This ease of care not only saves time but also ensures that your windows continue to look and perform well for years to come. The long-term payoff. When you add up the hidden benefits, lower utility bills, improved comfort, noise reduction, increased home value, safety, and easier upkeep, it's clear that replacement windows are more than just a cosmetic update. They are an investment in your home's future and your family's daily quality of life. For homeowners in Gilbert, where climate and lifestyle demand practical yet stylish solutions, replacing old windows is one of the smartest upgrades you can make.